welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I just had to jump on to my family for just a quick video. Well, my type of quick. But either way, I have discovered a body wash fragrance, a new one. And it pairs so well. And it's like a replica of a fragrance. So I had to bring it to my fam, of course, to show you all what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, so you all know how I love me some native. You knew what this was gonna be about. Y'all know how I love me some native. Listen, Native has a new collection, and they have this vanilla Wonderland. First of all, if you love vanilla fragrances that have this sweet, almost like winter-like scent, I just cannot explain it. It's like candy and cold and Christmas. It just gives me Christmas without the pine. Without the pine, we're not running through the forest. So without the pine tree and all that kind of stuff, or the Christmas pine, none of that, right? All things good. Oh my gosh, like if you like vanilla, candy, cold winter type of scent, you would love this. Like literally almost like a cupcake. That's when I was in the shower, I was like, oh my goodness, this gives me like cold candy, cupcakey, vanilla scent. It's so good. So first off, you have to try this. I mean, even if you haven't tried Native, right? You're like, it's not my thing, sis. I love a good dove, not my thing. I like ole ole. Whatever it is, I need you to do me a solid, okay? I need you to do me a solid, fam. Just one time. I need you to go and try it. Especially if you love a good vanilla scent, pick you up this Native Vanilla Wonderland. Okay? Try it out. Okay. On top of that, I was like, this smells like something in my collection I am familiar with. I'm like, wow, this is giving me like a fragrance. Like, what is this? Hold the phone. Kid you not. Hold the phone. Okay? Well, no, pick up the phone. Don't hold the phone. Pick it up. Anyway, Tom Ford Soleil Beach. If you like this fragrance, if you like the smell, the scent of this fragrance, the only thing it is missing is the almost like cake, subtle cake candy like that's in this. That's it. But they are close related sisters. Like, grew up together. Like, they can even be cousins, but grew up like sisters. So close. Like, this would pair amazing with this fragrance. If you're wondering kind of like what I'm talking about with like the winter smellingness of this body wash, think of Soleil Beach. If you know it, you know. Like, to me, this gives you like cold or like Christmassy without the pine. Like, oh, this match made in heaven. Okay? So if you have this, you have definitely got to do me a solid and try this and see what you think. Try this, pair this together, okay? Breaking news, you have to drop what you have got going on and get this. Oh, and I got it at Walmart, if you were wanting to know. So Walmart, this is where I was able to find this. And it has other items in this collection, so I can't wait to give you like a full review. You all know how I love me a good native, so I cannot wait to give you this full review on this beautiful discovery. Okay, moving on. So next up, I raved about that whole thing. I just had to tell you all, but a combination, and you all know I don't do like layering or bring layering things to you all the time, because I don't always layer or find discoveries within layering. Like, nothing wrong with layering, love a good layering, but sometimes I'm not always layering, or nothing stands out to me, or I've already brought it to the channel and you already know that I love it, right? Anyway, I don't know what it is about me and like these foundational, take me back in the day type of fragrance, okay? But some of them are on my tray, and I have been enjoying the mess out of Gabrielle Chanel. Listen, I don't know. Don't ask. Don't ask. I don't know. But this has been beautiful. I have gotten so many compliments on Miss Gabrielle Chanel. Oh, this is so good. Every time I've worn this, I've gotten compliments. And it's this floral, fresh, citrus, vanilla. Oh, so good. Like, this gives me fashion, elegance. It's just divine. Like, that's what this gives me. It's so classy, right? And classic. Kid you not. Okay, so this Gabrielle Chanel, I paired it with this bomb of a fruit. I know. Mango Skin from Van Helm Perform. Like, listen to me. Mango and fruit, white florals, right? Vanilla. Like, you would not think like this. You're like way off, right? Like, floral, fruit, but fruity florals, maybe. But I was looking at this cross-eyed. Maybe you're not looking at it cross-eyed. I sure was. But to each his own. I was like, let me just discover, let me just pair this together and see what happens. Yes, ma'am, and I've been stuck ever since. Stuck. I cannot wear one without the other. I feel like I'm missing out on something. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Because I feel like this, is this my signature fall pairing scent? I don't know. So good. Do you all have mango skin? Oh my gosh. If you love a good juicy mango skin, like the realisticness of this it's unmatched. Anyway, but pairing this with this, I didn't know. So I'm just letting you know. That's really all this video is. I'm just letting you all know my new discoveries. And I just had to bring them to you. Like, no rhyme or reason, random video of my discoveries. I just had to tell you all. Like, short video, just had to come to my fam and say, listen, Linda. I mean, I know your name's not Linda, but still, listen, this is bad, okay? And then Gabrielle just been showing out, okay? I don't know what her problem is, but I've been using this down. I know I'm going to get a really good dent by the end of this month, and we're coming up on it. She been good. So that's it, fams. Those are my recent discoveries, and I just wanted to come to my channel and to my fam and let you all know, because y'all need to know the tea, and that's why I'm here to spill some real tea, okay? If I haven't been doing no layering or don't have any layering discoveries, I don't have a layering video. But today I do, okay? Well, that's all, fam, for my recent discoveries. What are some of the most recent discoveries that you have found, that you have loved and enjoyed? Please let us know. Spill the tea. Don't keep things to yourself. Don't gatekeep. We don't gatekeep around here. Put it down below in the comment section, okay? Well, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoy this content. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.